Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enjoy English Talks. I'm Judy.
And I'm Jake. Thanks for being here today. So, Judy, something funny happened to me this morning.
Oh, tell me about it.
Well, I've already had 4 cups of coffee today, I've lost my keys again, and I still haven't found them.
That is quite a morning. But friends, did you notice something just now? Jake used today's grammar topic 3 times without even realizing it.
Wait, I did? What did I say?
You said, I've had, I've lost, I haven't found. Those are all the present perfect tense.
Honestly, I didn't even notice I was using it. It just came out naturally.
And that's exactly the point. The present perfect is everywhere in English. We use it all the time, but many learners aren't sure when to choose it.
Yeah, like, should I say I lost my keys or I've lost my keys? What's the difference?
Great question. And that's what we're going to answer today. No grammar stress. We'll keep it simple and natural.
And friends, if you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep making episodes like this for you.
All right, let's dive in. The present perfect has 3 main uses in everyday English. We're going to learn each one step by step. Let's start with use number 1, experience.
Experience. That sounds interesting.
Think about your whole life, all the things you've done, all the places you've visited. When you talk about those experiences, you use the present perfect.
Like, I've been to Japan.
Perfect example. I've been to Japan means at some point in my life, I've visited Japan. I don't say when, I just say that it happened.
So it's not about a specific time, it's about whether you've ever done something in your life.
Exactly right. Here are some more examples. She's tried bungee jumping. We've met before.
I've eaten sushi many times. That's my whole life experience with sushi, not just one specific dinner.
And the negative form, I've never seen snow. In your whole life, 0 times.
Wait, really? You've never seen snow? That's surprising.
I have. That was just an example. But notice the word never. It's a signal word for experience.
What other signal words are there?
For experience, listen for ever, never, before, and already. They usually go with the present perfect.
So, have you ever tried Korean food? That's asking about someone's whole life experience, not a specific dinner.
Exactly. Now here's the important contrast.
What happens when you want to say when something happened? Is it different?
Yes, when you add a specific time, you switch to the simple past. I went to Japan last year, not I've been to Japan last year.
Oh, so I've been to Japan, no time, just experience, but I went to Japan last year, specific time, simple past.
Let's hear them side by side. Same topic, different meaning. Have you ever tried Thai food?
That's asking about my whole life experience.
And did you try Thai food last night?
That's asking about one specific night, last night.
Can you hear how the feeling changes? Present perfect looks at your whole life. Simple past looks at one moment.
That makes so much sense. The present perfect asks ever, and the simple past asks when.
Here's a quick mini conversation to hear it in action.
Sure, let's do it.
Have you ever been to Mexico?
Yes, I've been there twice. It was amazing.
When did you go?
I went last summer with my friends. We stayed for 2 weeks.
Did you catch that, everyone? Have you ever been started the conversation? Then, when did you go, switched to simple past for the specific time.
That's a really natural pattern, actually. Start with have you ever been, and then ask for details with simple past.
Everyone, try this in your head right now. Think of a place you've visited. Say, I've been to, in your mind.
Mine is, I've been to a music festival. That was an amazing weekend.
Great. And notice you didn't say when, you just shared the experience.
Right. If I wanted to say when, I'd switch to simple past. I went to a festival last July.
Let me give you a few more experience examples to hear the pattern. He's read that book 3 times.
3 times? He must really love it. And that's his whole life, not just a specific week.
They've won 5 games this season. Still in the season, still counting.
Oh, that's a good one. And I could say I've cooked dinner at home every night this week. Still going.
Perfect. You're feeling the difference already. Now let's move to use number 2, duration and connection.
What do you mean by connection?
This use is about things that started in the past and are still true right now. The past connects to the present.
Can you give me an example?
I've lived in this city for 3 years. I moved here 3 years ago, and I'm still living here today. So it's not finished, it's still going on. That's the connection. Exactly. And here are 2 important words for this use: for and since.
What's the difference between those two?
For goes with a period of time. How long? For 3 years, for 2 months, for a long time.
And since?
Since goes with a starting point, when it began. Since 2020, since last March, since I was a kid.
So, I've worked here for 5 years, that's how long. And I've worked here since 2021, that's when I started.
Perfect. Both sentences mean the same thing. You started in the past and you're still working here now.
Let me try a few more. We've known each other for a long time.
Great. You started knowing each other years ago and you still know each other now.
She's had that car since college.
She got the car in college and she still has it today. Feel the connection?
I've played guitar since I was 12. Started young, still playing today.
That's beautiful. And notice how since always points to a starting moment. 12 years old, college, 2020.
And for is always the length of time. For 2 months, for a long time, for my whole life.
Exactly right. You've got the difference between for and since perfectly.
Now, what about I lived there for 2 years? Is that the same?
Great question. No, it's different. I lived there for 2 years means you don't live there anymore. It's finished. You moved away.
But I've lived here for 2 years means I'm still here right now.
That's the key difference. Simple past, finished and gone. Present perfect, still true now.
Lived, done. Have lived, still happening. That's a big difference in just one word.
Let me give you the negative form too. I haven't seen my brother for 6 months.
That means the last time I saw him was 6 months ago, and I still haven't seen him. Kind of sad, actually.
And the question form, how long have you studied English?
That's asking about the whole stretch of time, from when you started until right now.
Everyone, think about this for a moment. How long have you studied English? What's your answer? Try to say it with for or since.
Good practice. Take a few seconds and try it. I'd say, I've been studying English for a while, with for.
And I'd say, I've been teaching since 2015, with since. Both are natural. Now let's look at use number 3, recent results.
Okay, what's this one about?
Sometimes something has just happened, and the result matters right now. That's when you use the present perfect.
Can you show me what you mean?
I've lost my keys. That means I can't find them right now. The losing happened, and the result is important in this moment.
Oh, like your keys story from this morning. I've lost my keys. I'm still looking for them.
Exactly. Compare that to, I lost my keys yesterday. That's just a fact about yesterday. Maybe you found them already.
But I've lost my keys means the problem is happening right now. I need help.
That's the feeling. And there are 3 signal words that go with this use: just, already, and yet.
I've heard those a lot. Can I try to explain them?
Go for it.
Just means a moment ago, like I've just finished my homework. I finished it really recently.
Perfect.
Already means earlier than expected. She's already left. We thought she'd still be here, but she's gone.
And the last one?
Yet is for questions and negatives. Have you eaten yet? I haven't decided yet. It's like asking, has it happened or not up to this moment?
Exactly. Let me give you a mini conversation for this one.
Go ahead.
Jake, have you finished the report?
I've just finished it. I sent it 5 minutes ago.
Great. Has Sarah seen it yet?
I'm not sure. She hasn't replied yet.
Notice how every sentence connects to right now. The report, the reply, everything matters in the present moment.
Let me try a few more. I've just cleaned the kitchen. The kitchen is clean right now. That's the result.
Great one. And the negative?
I haven't cleaned the kitchen yet. It's still messy. The result is not done. I should probably do it soon.
Real life and grammar all in one sentence.
That's really helpful. The present perfect keeps everything tied to the present moment. It's about what's true or important right now.
Exactly right. And that's the golden thread through all three uses. Experience connects to who you are now. Duration connects to what's still true. Recent results connect to what just happened.
So whenever something connects to now, present perfect, that's a simple way to think about it.
Now let's see how all three uses work together in real conversation. Because in real life, you don't stop and think, which use is this?
Right, they flow naturally. Like when I was talking about my morning earlier, I mixed experience and recent result without even realizing it.
Exactly, and that's how it works in real conversation. Let's practice hearing them together. I'll say some sentences and you tell me which use it is. Experience, duration, or recent result.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
I've never been to Australia.
That's experience. You're talking about your whole life, and the answer is no, never.
I've worked at this company for 6 years.
Duration. You started 6 years ago, and you're still there right now.
The bus has just arrived.
Recent result. It arrived a moment ago, and it's here now. We should get on.
Perfect. You've got all three down.
Can I try one that mixes all three? I've visited my grandmother many times. I've known her my whole life, and I've just called her this morning.
All three uses in one story. Experience, duration, and recent result. That was perfect, Jake.
Can I be honest? This makes so much more sense when you think about the feeling instead of trying to memorize grammar rules.
That's exactly right. Feel the meaning. Don't memorize the rule.
Like, I don't think, is this experience or duration? I just feel whether something connects to right now or not.
Perfect. That's how native speakers think about it too. Now, a quick pronunciation note for everyone. In natural speech, the contractions are really important.
What do you mean?
I have been becomes I've been. She has finished becomes she's finished. They have left becomes they've left. You'll hear these contractions everywhere.
I've been, she's finished, they've left. It sounds so much more natural with the contraction.
And for negatives, have not becomes haven't. Has not becomes hasn't.
Haven't, hasn't. I haven't eaten yet. That sounds right.
And here's a tip for questions. Have you becomes have ya, but said fast, it almost sounds like have ya. Have you been there? Have you finished?
Have you been there? Have you finished? I hear that all the time in movies and podcasts.
Don't worry about copying that speed. Just recognize it when you hear it. Your own pace is fine.
That's good to know. I always wondered why I couldn't catch those words in fast speech.
Now, here's something beautiful about this tense. The present perfect isn't just grammar. It connects you to your own story.
What do you mean by that?
When you say, I've traveled to 10 countries, you're sharing your whole life in one sentence. When you say, I've been married for 20 years, that carries so much love and history.
And I've been through a lot? That holds every challenge you've ever faced. You can carry your whole story in one sentence.
It's never just about rules. It's about expressing who you are and what your life has been.
That's powerful. I never thought about it like that before.
So here's the quick rule to remember. 3 questions. Have you ever done it? That's experience. How long up to now? That's duration.
And the third one?
Did it just happen and does it matter right now? That's recent result. If the answer to any of those is yes, use the present perfect.
3 questions. Ever done it? How long so far? Just happened in matters now. If yes, present perfect.
That's it. Simple and powerful. Let's look at 5 common mistakes. Don't worry if you've made any of these. It's completely okay. That's how we all learn.
I'm sure I've made at least a few of these myself.
Mistake number 1. I have went to Paris.
Something is wrong with went there, right?
Right. After have or has, you need the past participle form, not the simple past. Went is simple past. The past participle is been or gone. So the correct sentence is, I have been to Paris.
So it's go, went, gone. And with have, I always need that third form. I have gone, I have been.
Exactly. Same with other verbs. I have eaten, not I have ate. I have done, not I have did.
Have plus the third form. Always. I need to remember that. Eaten, done, gone, been, finished.
Good. Mistake number 2. I have been to London last summer.
Wait, last summer is a specific time, so that should be simple past, right?
Exactly right. When you say a specific time, last summer, yesterday, in 2019, you use simple past. I went to London last summer. The present perfect doesn't have a specific time.
No specific time, present perfect. Specific time, simple past. So if someone asks, have you been to London? I say yes. Then if they ask, when did you go? I switch to simple past and say, I went last summer.
That's exactly how it works in real conversation. Beautiful example. Mistake number 3. I live here since 2020.
Oh, I hear people say this all the time. What's wrong with it?
Since 2020 tells us